Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Look at the beautiful sunshine. How silly it is. Look at me. So we were having a hiking. So to protect myself from any mosquito bite, I wear long sleeve and yeah, just to protect myself. But actually, this is the dry season. In this area, Central America, there is dry season and wet season. So we came here in the dry season, and there is not very much, not huge amount of mosquito. So we are quite lucky to come at this time. So we had a randonnée, we had a hike in the very lush forest, rainforest. There are birds and little animals, and I have not yet seen a sloth so far, because this is the first day we started our hike. But we have seen toucan, we have seen some very beautiful birds, and very unique squirrels, and they look very different from the squirrel in our neighborhood park. Anyway, so as I was walking and just looking on top, looking everywhere, and seeing the animals, I just passed by something. I almost stepped on an ant, and yeah, this lizard, it runs too fast. I cannot catch it. And as I was walking, there was a park ranger tell me, "Oh, you are on the way of the ants trail." I was very surprised, and I did not even notice. And then I start notice there are a lot of ants there, and they have a long line. It's like a highway. It's like their commute route, and they are all together, which is so interesting and fascinating. And the park ranger told me that they will gather the leaf, and they do not eat the leaf, and use the leaf to make mushroom and to feed themselves. So everything seems so interesting. I started to search about it and start to understand a little bit about it. So here they are. I did some close-up macro lens pictures. So this is called leaf cutter ants. I am doing some zoom in. They cut the leaf, and they have in front of their teeth, their front teeth is like two pieces of a chopper knife, big chopper, and gachi, they can cut the leaf. They go to the tree and get a particular kind of leaf, and then bring the leaf all together, go down to their home, a cage or ants, go to their cave. And they have some of the most complicated and most intricate cave system. It's a huge cave, but there's a very good air ventilation, and they can make these leaf cutter ants. They can make the So they have some of the most complicated and intricate cage. I do not know, nest or cage or their home system. And it could be as large as 30 meters in radius. And this is just, it's like a highway crossroad, the 十字路口, the crossroad of a big central street or something. It's a huge netting system. And these ants, they have their caste. There are 4 castes in their organization system. So there is the smallest, the adult cats. The smallest is called minium. They are very, very small. They were born with this very small shape. So they take care of taking care of babies and taking care of kind of a nurse, kind of a cleaner to take care of the leaf health. Sometimes the leaves are not good for the bacteria to develop. Then they take care of, they decide that the leaf is not good, or the leaf is toxic or infected. And there are other kind. There is another kind, a little bit bigger than the smaller. It's called mini. The mini kind will take care of something like cleaning up the house and taking care of taking care of the not so clean leaves. If some leaves or some bad bacteria comes, they will be take it away, and their life can be sacrificed in another way. And then there is the medium. Usually medium size. Usually they take care of transporting the leaves, and they are the workers. And there is one largest, major, the major size, and much bigger size. They are kind of fighting, and the most powerful ants. They will fight with other ants, and they will take care of moving away big, huge stones, rocks on the way, and things like that. And it's so interesting. And if they transfer all these leaves and use these leaves to cut the leaves into small pieces, so that they will bring up bacteria. It's the queen, a female ant. The queen will take care of bringing the root, the seed bacteria, fungus, and starting from there, start to grow and grow. And these fungus will grow, but the working ants, the adult ants, will not eat the fungus. The fungus will be used to feed the baby, the larvae of the ants, so that they can have the next generation. When they grown up, becoming adult, they will take care of. They will eat the sap from the tree, and I have seen one ant actually is a free rider. There is a medium, large size ant carrying the leaf, and on the leaf there is a small mini ants. And at the beginning I did not know what is this free rider. I searched online and found it's actually not a free ride. That medium adult ant is actually taking care of the cleaning, taking care of the health inspection of the leaves. If the leaves is not good, does not taste good for the fungus to develop, they will have a communication system. They will tell the medium, the working ants, oh, this is not good. It does not taste good. It does not produce good fungus for our fungus territory. We will not get this leaf. Let's move to another tree. Let's move to another kind of leaf or something like it. And it's just so very interesting, this ants world. And so that's something I want to share with you about this fascinating world. Oh yeah, and when sometimes that they have preys, they have predators. Sometimes there are predators coming here. Sometimes there are bad fungus coming here, bad bacteria, so that the fungus could not develop to, could be killed, could die. Then there will, and also there are ants who die, and they have their cleaning system. They get rid of the old things, maybe BB Gaga, I do not know. They recycle it. They clean up their nest, and it is the old-aged ants taking care of those jobs. So when the ants are old, they take care of the dirty job, they take care of the dangerous job. And to protect the working ants, the medium-sized ants to carry leaf, to protect the huge, jumbo, major ants, to be the alpha ants, to be the super ants of the colony. Oh, this is so interesting. And so they usually do not interact with human, but if in the agricultural place, if they found a leaf, an orange tree, in 24 hours they will completely eat the leaf of a grown orange tree, and their territory, their termite, they soften the land, so some house can be or some farmland can be endangered. So people have figured out some way. For example, use their recycled, use their waste. The ants has their waste. They have their system of cleaning their waste, and use their waste, put in the place, put around the agricultural plants or something. The ants will not come. The ants know this is the waste land. This is not a good land. It lasts for 30 days, and later on they need to find new waste. People need to find new ways to protect their land. Anyway, it's such a fascinating and interesting world. I am just so fascinated by it. maybe this we on our way we just debate, are they one of the intelligent species? It's just did not communicate with our brain. Anyway, it's something I will talk about it and ponder about it later. It's time for me to go to sleep, and I will do so. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Goo goo bye bye.